Hi everyone. Today I will be telling you the use of AI in drone warfare. What is drone warfare?
Drone warfare is the use of unmanned aerial vehicles drones for military operations, including surveillance and targeted strikes. The use of AI in drone warfare. AI in drone warfare enables autonomous navigation, target recognition, and decision-making, enhancing precision and efficiency. Advantages of AI in drone warfare. Precision AI improves targeting accuracy, reducing civilian casualties. Autonomy drones can operate with minimal human intervention, reducing risk to soldiers. Speed AI enables faster decision-making and execution of missions. Drawbacks of AI in drone warfare include ethical concerns. AI may make life or death decisions without human oversight, raising accountability issues. Reliability. AI systems can malfunction or be hacked, leading to errors or misuse. Civilian casualties. Despite precision, AI may still misidentify targets, causing unintended harm.
Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you understand. Bye.